I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. I'm nothing without you. Girl, I'm lost without you. I swear I'm lost without you. All I think about is you. Cause baby fine like wine. Now her spirit's all in my mind. Couldn't have shown up at a better time. They say you seek and you shall find. I know you want the truth inside of life.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is nadulatb coming to you today with another video, girl. I'm not even gonna say girl because it's been a lot of men that's been following me as well. So yeah, I ain't gonna say girl, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this U-part wig. I did flip it over and make it seem like it's kind of like one of those, like the little no-part wigs or whatever. I don't know, but your girl is looking fly. I love how this turns out. I can kind of flip it on this side and I can flip it back to like a regular part. I just love the versatility in this wig. This wig is great. I could just switch it to this side and I could just switch it to this side. It just makes me feel so free. I can kind of push everything back if I want and have it that kind of like, I don't know, just kind of have like that no part look, and I can have it all to one side. I'm just loving the way it looks, so carefree and so sexy. I love it. All the details on this wig will be in the description box below, guys. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this tutorial, then go ahead and continue watching. I don't want to do too much or ramble too much in this video, so yeah, love y'all. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl nadulatb. So today's video, I'm going to install a U-part wig on my natural hair, guys. My natural hair texture is like a 3B, 3C, you know, it's a little 3B or 3C. I say 3B, but it's mostly just like 3C. It's like the front. You know how the front of your hair is just always, like it just always stretches. It's like stretched out. It's never matching the back of your hair. Like that front of the hair is just never cooperating, okay? So yeah, y'all, so the hair that I am using today, Nadula Hair Company. This is the box that it came in. I don't know if did it come with anything. It probably did. A lot of them usually come with a lot of stuff, but I had this wig for a couple weeks now, so if it came with some stuff, I emptied it already. But like I said, this hair came from Nadula Hair. When I close it up, it completely closes, so that means you literally only have to have like 1.5 inches of leave out. You don't have to have that thick old box of leave out like normal like U-part wigs be coming. I've seen how small that space is, y'all. This is a U-part wig. I'm going to have to color it, y'all. My hair is like a 1B texture hair, and this is like a 1B color. My hair is like a 1B color hair, and this hair is like a 2. Girl, this is not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to dye the hair black. I'm going to record me doing that, guys, really quick, so you guys can see how I'm dyeing it, and then I'll be ready to install this hair. If you guys are interested in seeing what hair that I'm using, I will link everything in the description box below, and I will put a coupon code so you guys can save some money on this wig, okay? So let's just go ahead and get it popping. Let's go ahead and get it together, and girl, we about to go ahead and get it. We about to get cute. I have a feeling that this is gonna be real cute. I think so. All right, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting my plastic bin that I use to bleach hair. I'm going to use that, guys. I got a little bit of bleaching powder in there still, but who cares, okay? I'm going to use a Revlon Color Silk. Beautiful color. I'm going to use it in that soft black color, so it can kind of not be jet black, but still be black, you know, where it's like that soft black, just like it said, okay? So I'm going to use 2 boxes, guys. I did use 2 complete boxes of that hair dye. And then I just kind of combined that color with the developer, and then I mixed the both together, cut off the top of the nozzle, and I just started kind of squirting the color on top of the wig. I think it's way easier to color wigs, especially with a little squirt bottle, so that way you don't have to manually apply the hair. I love a good squirt bottle. I mean, manual apply the color. Yeah, so I love a good squirt bottle. You guys can see that's actually like more of like a color number 4. The hair is pretty brown. Like, it wouldn't matter if I didn't have leave out, but since I have leave out, girl, we're gonna have to color this hair so it can blend out my hair, because my hair is like a 1B color, okay? So guys, this is just really self-explanatory. I'm just going to literally squirt the color on and kind of work that color into the wig, and then I'm going to comb that color through the wig and let it sit for 25 minutes. And after that, I'm just going to wash it, shampoo and condition it with the Aussie, and then we'll be ready to go. It's the next day. It's the next morning. I went ahead and dyed the hair. I showed you guys clippets of when I dyed the hair. So this is how the hair looks now. I dyed it black. It's like a matte black color. It's like a 1B color, a soft black. It's not anything like jet black, but this is how the wig looks. It's kind of like layered already. It looks like it's like shorter in the front and longer in the back. Not too much of a fan on that. Even though I probably was gonna do layers, I kind of wanted to do my own layers. I didn't want them to already have the layers. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair prepped. I'm going to just wet my hair a little bit, and then I'm going to try to attempt to braid it down a little bit. Alright y'all, so we about to do the voiceover edition now. So what I'm doing now is I'm just parting off the front section where I'm going to have, you know, the edges kind of left out and things like that. I just want enough edges. I like a natural look, so I know I like a lot of edges, especially when it comes to a curly look. I like a good swoop. I like a lot of curls. I just like that. So I'm always going to have a good amount of edges especially for something like this, okay? If it was like a braided style, it'd be the same way. I like a lot of edges, all right? So I'm just going to do both sides the same way, and then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to have my part, and I'm going to part a section about 2 inches across and about 4 inches back, okay, from the front of the head. And that is where I'm going to have the leave out section. Now, once you get your leave out section, guys, you're going to want to somehow get your hair flat, so that way you can make sure that that leave out is enough left out, or too big or too little, so you can see if you need to add or take away hair at that spot. So what I end up doing, guys, I just braided one little kind of loose braid at the back, folded it up a little bit, and then put the wig on top just to get a kind of general idea and making sure that the wig will kind of fit. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I basically end up doing. Once I figured out how much to take away or how much to add, then I attempted to start braiding to moisturize the hair with the water in some Suave, and then braided in 4 braids, and then crochet the ends to the braid just to make everything flat. And then I applied the wig.
Different world, different cases, different places, different faces that I've seen.
Out of all the places that I've been, nothing tops the Medellin before the world became a meme. Before we were a thing, we used to fantasize about our biggest dreams. Hearts collide, paramedics hit the scene. Just another casualty. I know you draws in for someone that gets you wetter, someone to do you better. Feeling this excitement because you want me, holding it all together, but the regret is letting you up. Can't say the same thing. I moved on. Tell me, was it worth all the anxiety? Hearts collide, feeling inside, bringing you up. How it go in my arms? You once made, now you're gone. Let me know, am I wrong? Am I wrong? Let me know, is it right? Is it wrong? Let me know, let me know. I just closed another casket, baby. I've been losing people over shadiness. You say you've been praying, trying to change me. Selling me Nirvana, wanna make me slip. I know, keep my grip for sure. I can't lose control. You've been trying to set me up, talking like you love me and etc. Givenchy, Givenchy, Dolce and Gabbana. That's all you want, that's all you wanna do. I won't be the one to play the fool. No, I won't be the one to play the fool. Oh, we go in my arms. You once lay, now you're gone. Let me know, am I wrong? Am I wrong? Let me know.
So this anchor braid right here that goes along this part and then down the sides, that is what I'm going to sew on, okay?
Niggas peep my sound, then try to keep up. What else? Met a bad bitch, said she coming to the States all on a work visa. She is a work of art, I call her Mona Lisa. Know what type of time I'm on. Smoking finance, so my mind is gone. Bust down AP, clarity, been feeling like the man, so I must be, yeah. Told him put 55 on pump 3, yeah. See me know I'm really guessing up something, yeah. Feeling like Bojack, all of the horses will make you go back. Thought you should know that, young niggas not like Kodak. She just wanna bag, yeah, Birkin bags, Dolce and Gabbana. Tags, 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 tags. Running around the store like tag, tag, tag. Running around the store popping tags, tags, tags. Oxygen is dropping, I feel on my own. When things get choppy, don't hit my phone. Invite me to your function and I might come through. How the fuck you say you got bitches but want me to bring two? It's not adding up. Met a bad bitch but her pussy wasn't fat enough. Still hit, then I cut the push and I be acting up, yeah. Niggas really capping, they be acting tough. I remember Cuddy trapping out the Akaru. Smoking fauna cause insomnia keep me up. I be so high, when it beat me up. Shawty been tripping. Really think you about to catch a nigga like me out here simping. Mama ain't raised no fool. You see me, I'm hip to game. That factor never change. You know me, I'm doing my thing. Oh, she just wanna bag, yeah. Birkin bags, Dolce and Gabbana. Tags, tags, tags.
Alright guys, now that I am done sewing it down, I did not sew the back down, guys. I just used the clip that it has in the back. I'm just going to use some water and reactivate my hair, and then I'm going to use some Eco Style gel, the crystal kind, and I'm going to use that to kind of mold my hair down into that weave, okay? your girl is looking fly. I love how this turns out. I can kind of flip it on this side and I can flip it back to like a regular part. I just love the versatility in this wig. This wig is great. Okay, I am just loving it. Okay, so I just love the way it looks. I could just switch it to this side and I could just switch it to this side. It just makes me feel so free. I can kind of push everything back if I want and have it that kind of like, I don't know, just kind of have like that no part look, and I can have it all to one side. I'm just loving the way it looks, so carefree and so sexy. I love it, guys. So like I said, everything, all the details on this wig will be in the description box below, guys. So yeah, love y'all.